Alright, welcome to the next episode of DIY Off-Grid Cabin, where we are building an off-grid cabin on our property where we have no electric and no water. So, if you watched the previous episodes, you saw that we've got it all framed. We've got all of the sheathing on, the siding. We've got most of the windows in. We've got it insulated. So today I'm going to be working on finishing off the soffits and the fascia in preparation for putting on the actual metal roof. So I've decided I'm just going to go with the wood fascia, and the metal roof trim is going to actually cover most of it, and then what is exposed is pressure treated and then will eventually be painted. I played around with how I was going to finish off the soffits on the end, and I decided I'm just going to take the siding that we used. We have leftover siding, and I'm going to cut that to make it fit, and it will make a nice on the ends. It doesn't have to be vented. On here on the sides it does have to be vented. So what I'm going to do is order some small vents, and I have to cut them in after we get it installed later. I'll just get some circle vents and cut them in. So sit back and enjoy, and that's what we're doing today. Alright, well, I didn't film it, but I just got this put in up here. I have to do the same thing on the back. I'm going to go ahead and cut the relief for the ridge vent in the roof real quick. Then I'll get back to trimming this stuff out. Okay, so I just got the vent cut. Couldn't really take the camera up there. It's a little too dangerous on the roof. That's our ridge vent. Alright, so it is done. Here's what it looks like. You see that it just turns the corner and goes right up to the peak. Seamless. So like I said, I thought about boxing this out like a traditional house, but this is more of the cabin look to me. So, and it's actually easier to do it this way. Alright, so now we've got the soffits and the fascia done. I'm going to go ahead and get the it's a synthetic underlayment for metal roofs. And I'm going to get that started. So I'm going to start, luckily it's only 2 rows on each side. I get that hammered tacked in, and then we'll be ready for the roof. So that's ready to go. Got that finished up. Wasn't too bad. It's a little tricky because it's windy out here. So today I've got the soffits and fascia finished up, roofing membrane, and now the last thing I'm going to do today is my other window showed up So we'll go ahead and get it installed. That's about all the time we'll have for today. Well, you saw me do a bunch of these in the last video. You know how this works. So there's the last window, and that's going to be it for today. Alright, well, last night, freezing rain, a little bit of snow. Now it's starting to transition over to rain, so definitely aren't working on the roof today. But it's nasty out. So what I'm going to do is try to get in the cabin and finish framing the upper parts of the walls so it's ready for insulation. As you can see, we got the metal yesterday, and we at least got it brought up here, so it's ready to go. Hoping to get started on the roof tomorrow, but it's going to be a high of around 20 degrees. That's the high for the day. So it's going to be a cold one, but as long as it's dry, we're going to try to get started on that. Some heat going in here. It doesn't look like much, but now this is all framed out, ready for the wall covering. It's flush with the rest of the wall, and it's now insulated. And then I added more rafters to connect the ceiling to bring it out to the right level. And then there'll be a short bit of ceiling that runs right down the middle. So now, I need to get up here and tackle this side. Alright, so I've got that done up there. I just took a couple boards off. I'm going to insulate that at another time and then decide on the covering. Probably plywood, like a sanded plywood. But that's it for today.